Be ready. 5 seconds. Start. Today is a memorable day for parliamentary democracy. I address this August Karnataka legislature as the 14th President of the Republic of India on the occasion of the Diamond Jubilee of the Vidhan Sabha. Personally, also, it is a memorable day as I took oath as President of India in the presence of both houses of Parliament on this very day 3 months ago, that is 25th July 2017. This is my first visit to Karnataka since accepting the responsibility of the President of India. I have come on an occasion that celebrates the democratic traditions of our country and of this state. Today, we are commemorating the Diamond Jubilee of the Vidhan Sabha, the seat of the legislature in Karnataka. It was inaugurated in October 1956 by the first President of India, Dr. Rajendra Prasad. I am humbled to be following in his footsteps. It was my privilege to have served as governor in the state of Bihar, the home state of Dr. Rajendra Prasad. It is not just the 60th birthday of this building that we are marking. This is also the Diamond Jubilee of the debates and discussions in the two houses of legislations that have been passed and policies that have been shaped for the betterment of the lives of the people of Karnataka. We are aware of the three Ds of the legislature, that it is a place to debate, dissent, and finally decide. And if we add the fourth D, decency, only then does the fifth D, namely democracy, become a reality. The legislature is an embodiment of the will, aspirations, and hopes of the people of Karnataka, irrespective of political belief, caste, and religion, gender, or language. It needs the collective wisdom of both houses of the legislature to fulfill the dreams of our people. This spirit of debate and discussions, of inquiry and of service is not limited to simply the Vidhan Sabha or to political life. It has existed in the soil of this great state. Karnataka has been known through history for spiritualism as much as science, for its farmers as much as its technologists. Its contribution to the intellectual and cultural and ultimately democratic heritage of our country has been enormous. This is a land with ancient Jain and Buddhist traditions. Adi Shankaracharya founded the Mutt in Sringeri in this very state. Gulbarga is a center of Sufi culture. The reformist Lingayat movement under spiritual leaders such as Basavacharya, was located in Karnataka. In their own way, each of these currents has contributed to nation building. Karnataka is a land of formidable soldiers. Krishnadev Rai was the greatest ruler of the Vijayanagar Empire and remains an inspiration for all Indians. Kempe Gowda was the founder of Bengaluru. Rani Chennamma of Kittur and Rani Abakka led among the earliest battles against colonial powers. Tipu Sultan died a heroic death fighting the British. He was also a pioneering in the development and use of Mysore rockets in warfare. This technology was later adopted by the Europeans. More recently, two of our finest army chiefs, Field Marshal K. M. Kariyappa and General K. S. Thiamma, were sons of Karnataka. This is also the seat of education, technology, and science. The engineer statesman M. Visvesarya was a builder of modern Karnataka and of modern India. He was responsible for major irrigation projects that continue to help farmers to this day. And the Indian Space Research Organization are among so many of our crown jewel institutions that are based in Bengaluru. The dynamism of its entrepreneurs has made Bengaluru India's IT capital. It is known the world over as the Silicon City. Friends, both houses of the legislature jointly and collectively represent the will and aspirations of the people of Karnataka. Not just that, the two houses also represent the ideals and optimism and the energy and dynamism of the Kannadiga people. This building is a monument of the history of public service in Karnataka. A galaxy of political stalwarts has participated in the proceedings of the two houses that meet here. They have spoken in many memorable debates. Today's events will honor the families of the first three chief ministers of Karnataka, K. C. Reddy, Kengal Hanumanthayya, and Kadilal Manjappa. There are so many other names we must recall and cherish as Nijalingappa, Devraj URS, B.D. Jatti, who later became Vice President of India, Ramkrishna Hegde, S.R. Bommai, Virendra Patil, S.M. Krishna, and of course our former Prime Minister and my friend Shri H.D. Devagowda. It is for the current members of the two houses to take forward the legacy of these remarkable public representatives.